Hello, my murder clown friends. I just wanted to show you I added a blood effect onto my cotton candy bat. It is supposed to look pretty normal from one side, and then when you turn it, you get some gore effects. And I'm just going to show you how I did that. This bat is just a toy bat from the dollar store wrapped with green fake spider webs. It looks like the food coloring ran through a bit here and here especially. So it's not perfectly clean on the other side, but I figured you could show somebody this side and then woof, turn it around and it has a little bit of a jump scare effect. So I went on Amazon and got this giant bottle of red food coloring. Just for comparison, when you buy the little pack, you'll get like a little pack like that. You'll get 4 of these size bottles. So this is a huge bottle of red food coloring. And what I did, I wasn't sure which one to go with. These are both at Michael's. They're fairly cheap. And I'll link this stuff in the description so you guys can pick it up online. This one's from Amazon. These are at Michael's, but maybe I can find them on Amazon for a link. The triple thick gloss, brilliant gloss coat is great for trying to get that wet blood effect. And then I mixed in some of the fabric painting medium as well because I wanted it to be semi-flexible. Not sure if I needed that. I think just the triple thick would be fine. But if you were doing fabric, you'd probably want the fabric medium, which is going to give it a little bit of flex. And then I just used a little cup, which you can actually get for free at Wendy's. So if you go to a Wendy's, make sure you grab 5 or 6 of these little ketchup cups and put them in your pocket because they're great for crafts. And then, just your makeup sponge and your sponge brush and dabbed it on. And there you go. You get a pretty sweet gore effect on a clown weapon, but you could, of course, apply this to any Halloween weapon or costume, and it'll look cool. Let me know what you're working on in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Clown out.